Okay, this is Larry BL, and I thought I'd go ahead and do a couple separate clips talking about the electrical systems on. I got two separate different garden tractors. I've got a Craftsman, which is a 1988 Craftsman 2, and we've got a 1983 Ford LGT. For the most part, the electricals are similar, but there's subtle differences, so we can cover that. Well, for this episode, we're going to talk about the battery. And the battery itself, these are lawn and garden style batteries. They're smaller than an auto battery, but in a pinch they will run your car. This battery in particular is listed as 275 cranking amps or 230 cold, and we'll probably see a little bit better over here. So that one was 275. This battery down here is rated at 280 with 235 cold cranking amps. They list the cold for the colder weather. And then I would recommend, if you're going to replace your battery, go ahead and get a larger battery. It's actually physical in size, not larger, but it's larger on the cranking amps rating. This one is 420 with 350 cold cranking amps. This battery here would definitely work well in colder climates, or if you just have a hard starting engine, which hopefully by the end of these episodes you shouldn't have. The other thing about these batteries is the positive terminal is on the left, the negative on the right. They do sell reverse terminal batteries, and that would be listed on the front of the battery saying it's reverse terminal. And those come in handy in a situation like I have here, where I have the wires crossed. The wires are long enough to where I could do either, but it would be a cleaner situation if this was a reverse terminal battery. Okay, the Craftsman series, especially if you have the stock battery cover, does require a reverse terminal setup. So if you see on this particular battery, the positive is on the left and the negative is on the right. And that is still not a reverse terminal battery. So on this particular one, I have lengthened the cables, but the OEM battery cover would not fit on it because the battery actually has to be turned around if it was factory. So that is this segment on the batteries. We covered the cold cranking amps, the physical size of the battery. If you have the room, it's acceptable to actually put an automotive style battery, but if you do that, you'll have to change the terminal types. These are screw-through terminals, where the bolt goes through the battery terminal, unlike the car. So next segment we'll cover the voltages and current of the battery. Thank you for watching.